welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewer, in this video I am giving you information how to deposit in your blockchain wallet. This is so easy. If you want to make a transaction from your blockchain wallet, so you must have balance. So if you have balance, then you can make the transaction. So in this video I am giving you information how to deposit one wallet to other wallet. Means I want to deposit today Atomic wallet to blockchain. So if you want to get this information, so please watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So viewers, now I'm going to open my blockchain website because today I'm going to deposit. If you use same scenario with this, so you can deposit easily BTC, Ether or Stellar, so any cryptocurrency in which available in blockchain. So you can see here blockchain website is open in front of me. I just simply click on login. After that, this page will be open in front of me. This is my wallet ID. This wallet ID is only for access my blockchain account, not for deposit or receive fund. So I'm just going to enter my password here. Simple click on login. Now blockchain website is going to confirm my wallet ID and password. Then account will be open in front of me. So now you can see here viewers, the blockchain website is open in front of me. This time BTC price is $17,777. Now today I'm going to deposit. I have in my Atomic wallet Stellar, so that today I'm going to deposit Stellar. If you want to deposit on Bitcoin, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, so you can use same scenario. So let's begin to start our deposit. You can see here Stellar available here. First I need to get the wallet ID. If I want to deposit in Stellar blockchain website, so just simple click on Stellar. And after that you can see here there is not any address available. I already gave you information how to find the wallet ID in your blockchain website. So there is option request XLM now. So I just click on it. When I click on it, you can see here receive to my Stellar wallet. This time my balance is 0 and this is my QR code and this is my wallet address. Means this is my public address. If I want to deposit in this wallet, so I need this ID. So if you want to get same ID in your mobile, so you just go to the scan QR code scanner. Simple download from Play Store QR code scanner, then scan this QR code and get this wallet address in your mobile. Just simple going to copy. You can see a Stellar address successfully copied to clipboard. Now I'm going to my Atomic wallet because I have some balance in Stellar. My Atomic wallet. My Atomic wallet is open in front of me. First I need to enter my password here. Then I can get the balance from Atomic wallet to blockchain. Now my Atomic wallet is open in front of me and you can see a second number XLM. I have 44.99 XLM almost in USD per $3.72. If I want to send money from Atomic wallet to blockchain, so just click on send. I click on send and just click on or paste my address. And if I have memo ID, so I must need to enter here. So I'm going to again check in my blockchain account. I have Stellar wallet ID or not. There's no show any memo ID. So if blockchain is provided here, so I must copy and paste there, but this time is not any memo ID in this page, in this option. So I just going to back open to my Atomic wallet. I leave it my memo ID and XLM. So let's suppose if I want to send 10 XLM, or let's suppose 10 XLM. If I want to send 10 XLM, so in USD price 0.82, and available balance I have 43.98 XLM, and total price in USD 3.64, and network fees is 0.001 XLM, means very low fee. In dollar 0.00083. So I'm going to click on send XLM. First, before sending this transaction, I must need to cross check my wallet ID. This is my XLM wallet ID. First, I need to check first two digits and last two digits. See, my first two is that GD and last IN. So I'm going to open again my blockchain account because I check my wallet ID is correct or not. So first two is that GD and last two is that I'm going to highlight the or copy notepad file, and you can see here I have paste wallet ID IN. First two is that GD and last two is that IN, means my wallet is 100% accurate. So just going to again open my XLM. Now I'm going to enter my password because my wallet is password protected. If I make any transaction, so I must need to enter my password here. Just simple confirm. Sending 10 XLM to my atomic wallet to blockchain accounts. So as you can see here, I have successfully sent 10 XLM from my atomic wallet to blockchain. So if I click on back to wallet, so you can see here my balance is deducted from my atomic wallet. So now I'm going to open my blockchain account again. I have received or not. So as you can see here, I have successfully in a 10-second balance from my atomic wallet to my blockchain. This way is very easy way. You can easily deposit amount from your any wallet to other wallet. Let's suppose if you want to deposit on Bitcoin. So just simple click on Bitcoin. I want to get from setting, wallet addresses, and manage. And you can see here there is my wallet ID available. So if I want to copy, just simple highlight this wallet, my BTC, and paste in notepad file. Remove, and this is my Bitcoin wallet ID of blockchain. Just simple copy and go to the wallet. First need to search Bitcoin. Let's suppose you have balance in your atomic wallet and you want to deposit in your blockchain. So just simple send and paste your wallet ID. You must cross check before sending any amount in your blockchain. Your wallet ID is correct or not, first two digits and last two digits. So my first and last two digits accurate. Let's suppose I want to send 0.05 BTC and just simple send. After 30 minutes to 1 hour, you will receive your Bitcoin in your blockchain accounts. So viewers, I hope you understand how can you deposit amount in your blockchain account and how to transfer amount one wallet to other wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. If you want to get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin, Litecoin from this website, so this is very easy way. You just simple click on any wallet, like I'm going to click on Newcoin. If I want to get the information about Newcoin wallet, so I simple click on Newcoin, and after the new page open in front of you, you can see a Newcoin desktop wallet overview, how to use Newcoin, how to change node of Newcoin, and Newcoin staking calculator, Newcoin private key. I think I have already made the many information about many wallets on this website. So you must visit this website on from the Google. Just simple type the cryptowalletsinfo.com and get this information from this website. So we will meet with you in new video. Bye bye.